Well, I snowblowed yesterday for 3 hours, and this morning we had more snow. And look at, I had the sidewalk all clean over here, and it's all dumped. Oh, there's my flamingo. She fell. I have to take my flag down in the flamingo to be safe today because the winds are pretty bad. I have to go and snowblow again and have to work myself to the chicken coops, which I had cleared out pretty well yesterday. But this is just kind of a look from what's going on here in New York, Northeast. Those poor ducks and geese are freezing cold. And boy, that outhouse is going to be really tough to go out there to the bathroom today. Holy mackerel. I should put a heater in there so we could go into the outhouse. Holy moly. Okay, just a little bit more snow here. I think we won't get any more for a couple of days, which we'll be really happy about. Okay, over and out. It's so windy I can't get the phone off.